Hello guys, so this is another product from the company called WaterScience, and this is a shower filter. What it basically does is it will remove the hardness, water hardness, and removes chlorine, and gives you much better quality water, reduces bacteria and water smell, and in general you have these minerals and all in the borewell water, or most of the water you get in Bangalore, in cities like Bangalore and Delhi and all. So this has a set of filters, micro sleep filter, hardness condition layer, chlorine removal layer, and nano silver carbon layer. So this will give you much better water quality, and your hairs won't go gray, and you'll have lesser hair fall, prevents bacteria and protects your skin. So let's do the unboxing. Okay, we have a user manual, and then the product itself. Okay, so this is the product. It looks high quality. The build quality is really good. You can see the WaterScience branding there, and this is the speed. I think speed you can set. Okay, what else is there in the box? Thank you message. A bit more about the product, what it does. So this is the model SFM-419. This is how it works. The CLEO is designed specifically to address chlorine and hard water salts that cannot reduce TDS or turbidity colored cloudy water. CLEO converts chlorine to chloride and conditions hard water salts by converting stubborn salts to harmless, less stubborn forms. So they no longer stick to your hair or skin or even bathroom tiles. While TDS value may not come down noticeably, the water is healthier. Okay, so this is what it says. It basically gets rid of all these hard water salts which usually get stuck in your tiles or in your bathroom. So in your wash basins you can see those salt stains. This will get rid of all those. So let's do the installation. I think it's pretty basic. This is the main product from the box, and then we saw the product manual, and this is I think in the installation kit. So let's see what you get inside the installation kit. Okay, so we have PTFE threaded seal tape, screw, a tool to install, and a washer, 2 washers. So these are the items in the box. Oh, I missed one thing. Yeah, these are the product you get in the box, and according to the company you can do the installation yourself. You don't have to call a plumber for the installation, and the product comes with 2 years of warranty, and you have to register it online. You get 2 years of warranty if you go and register on reg.waterscience.in. Okay, I'll make another video of the installation for you guys, and I'll let you know the water quality after installation. Thank you.